So this will be the first video for teaching Korean alphabet, but to Bulgarians or people who know the Cyrillic alphabet. I'm currently living in Bulgaria, and so I know a lot of people who want to learn Korean, but I can't teach Korean in Bulgarian. So I'm going to be doing this in English. But I still want to draw comparisons from the Cyrillic alphabet and with the Korean alphabet. And this is a very absolute beginner video to learn how to read and learn the Korean alphabet. So it will be very easy to understand. I think if you don't even know Cyrillic, the Cyrillic comparisons are mostly, it's another form for people who don't know Cyrillic. It's another way to have this, be stuck in your head. And also, I think it would be definitely interesting for the polyglot community. I don't consider myself a polyglot because I'm not necessarily fluent on all the languages, but I'm a believer in that you draw inspiration from ways that you can't even think of. When I speak Bulgarian, when I'm learning Bulgarian, my Spanish actually improved when my level was completely static for a long time. So I believe drawing comparison from multiple languages while you're learning anything new, there are no downsides to that. So I do know that some people, maybe Russian speakers, would be also interested, but I do know that this Russian sounds are a little bit different when you read from Bulgarian sounds, although the Cyrillic is the same. So I do want to emphasize that the sounds that I want to draw comparisons are from the Bulgarian language and Cyrillic when I'm reading it in Bulgarian. Okay, so today we're not going to go too much, but I'll do a couple of vowels and consonants, and then I'll compare that with the Bulgarian sound. But I will also compare with the English sound because it's just best to do it all around. Okay, so let's start from the Bulgarian on the left side. Okay, so G. Is that good? Wait, sorry. I'm confused now. Okay, let's start from B. Okay, so that's B. This is Cyrillic side. And Korean, the equivalent to that would be this. So but it's lighter. It's P, P. So this is B and this is B. So it's like if you put your lips together like B, this is very strong. So if you remove that pressure, you will get this sound, P. It's not a P, it's the same, it's B. This will be the English column. It's B, but it's just lighter, okay? English, Korean, and Bulgarian, okay? So now we'll go to, let's do, that is K. That's K. And it's actually the same in Cyrillic and English, K. So it's K. And we have, this is also the same as well, but okay. So that is T. T. Okay. But it's also lighter. Just all around, everything has less pressure in Korean. So if this is T, it's T, T. Okay. Now we'll do this is N. N. Okay, so these are a couple of consonants. Let's do just a little bit more. Okay. Okay, this is P. P. And also you can hear it. It's not P, it's P, 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 P. Okay. And let's see, I want to do maybe one more. Okay, let's do this. S, S, S. So it's not S, it's S. So it's also, you have to figure out what's going on inside your mouth, like how much pressure is going on there. When you say S, S, you have to just do less of it, and that would be S. Okay, so let's just learn these 6 consonants today. And I want to teach you a couple of vowels, okay? So vowels are fun because there's actually very similar vowels in Korean and Bulgarian. So that one is right? In Korean, it's same. It's exactly the same sound, In English, there's nothing. Okay. Now, so the similarities of Bulgarian and Korean is that also all the sounds are have a character. So pretty much you will learn the characters and everybody will sound the same, maybe. But in English, you know, an A sounds different for depending on what word it is in. So, so that's never going to be different if you're putting it in a different word. Okay. Now that's a. That's a. Okay, and then let's do e. Is there's 2. Is e. This or this. E. Okay, now we'll do ya is ya. Okay. Let's do E is E. Okay, so if you memorize this is not all, obviously there's more, maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 times more than this. Okay, so now in Korean, like for example in Bulgarian, you might have something like let's see, like this. Oh, sorry. So let's say we have bravo, right? Now there is a vowel, there's a vowel, and there's a consonant, and there's a consonant. So b doesn't have a vowel, but you can still use it, okay? But in Korean, every consonant has to match with a vowel, okay? So, and that is, let's say, this is the spacing on your keyboard, okay? Now, one vowel, one consonant goes in one box, okay? It's one character. So let's say we want to say ko, like no, let's do key, okay? Key, we want to do key, okay? Key. Then let's look for key here. There, that's k. And where's E? Is here. So in this case, this vowel goes to the right. So this is key. Okay, that's easy enough. That's just key. Now let's try another one. Let's use the same vowel because it's easier. So k sound is this, but let's use all the other vowels. This one is u. This vowel goes on the bottom of the consonant, and that is k. And then let's use that one. This one goes to the right. So if you can kind of tell, it's the ones that go up and down is on the right side, and the ones look like it's more horizontal, it's on the bottom, okay? So that is ka. And then we can do, how do we make ke? Like that. Or we can do, oopsie, we can do like that, ke. Now how do we do kya? Kya. Like this, kya. Okay, so this is how you match the consonant and the vowel. So if you just study all of this, now let's just try another one more. How do we say, okay, let's do with n, okay? No. We want to do, if for n, this is the Korean consonant, okay? So, n, this is n, na, ne, nya, oh, nya, ni, okay? So, I'm gonna try for another consonant. How about s? Okay, so s, sa, se. This is also se, sia, and we have si.